Hi Nagarajan, how are you?
Hi, sir. Good evening. I'm good, sir. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good too. Thank you. So, can you tell us something about yourself?
Sure, sir. So my name is Nagarajan, and I'm currently working in IBM as a quality engineer
Hmm.
with 8 years of experience relevant to manual and automation testing.
Hmm.
I have specialized in finance and banking domain in IBM, and my core expertise lies in the Java-based automation, Selenium API using REST Assured and Postman.
Hmm.
And beyond the tools and frameworks which I have created, I have also actively mentored a junior testers who have joined our team recently and contributed to the internal knowledge sharing initiatives as well. And of lately, I have completed the ISTQB Foundation certification, and as well as I have got an opportunity to work in multiple management level activities as well.
Hmm.
And currently, coming to my hobbies, I love listening to music and I love to play outdoor games. So that was about me. So,
Okay, great. Can you tell me something about the types of inheritance? How many types of inheritance are there?
yes, sir. So there are two types of inheritance.
Hmm.
Uh, one is method overloading, and one another is
Oh,
method.
that is about polymorphism, right? You have method overloading and you have method inheritance. You have single level inheritance,
Yes,
like you
sir.
have a
Single
class.
level,
Yeah,
multi-level,
multi-level. Yes,
hybrid, and
right. Hierarchical is there,
yes, sir.
right? So these things are there. Okay. Uh, let's say you have an array, right? How would you reverse that particular array? Let's say you have an array with 5 elements and you want to
Okay.
reverse an array. So can you write a Java code on that?
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. I
Yeah.
can write.
Yeah. Can you share your screen? You can write it in IDE or online Java compiler, whichever you're comfortable with.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Let me share my screen.
Hmm. You can click on share screen button.
Sir, I have shared my screen. Let me know if it is visible.
It's loading. Hmm. Yeah, it's visible now.
So I want to
Hmm.
create a
You can take any array
array.
of 5 to 6 elements, yeah, and you want to reverse that array. So how would you do that?
Okay, sir. So let me take any sort of
Yeah,
oriented
yeah,
array.
yeah, that's fine.
First, as a part of my regular
Hmm.
one, I always
Hmm.
sort it so
Hmm.
that it is linear. And now I'll put the for loop.
Hmm.
So here, sir, what I'll be doing is I will be first taking the first half of the array, put it in a
Hmm.
variable, and then I will be putting it. So let me write it for that.
Hmm. Hmm.
So, sir, this was the initial 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Hmm. Okay, so you have first sorted it. Then what did you do? You took the length of that.
I took the length of the array,
Hmm.
and inside the for loop, what I'm doing is I'm first splitting the array into two halves.
Hmm.
So, and initially, I'm taking a temporary variable as t. I'm putting the first half of the array.
Hmm.
And post that, I'm re-putting the second half of the array and I'm reassigning it to the temporary one.
Hmm. Hmm.
And I'm printing the new array.
Okay. Okay. Now, what if I want you to rotate this array, right? Would you be able to do that? You can give it a try.
Uh,
Yeah. So you already did the reverse, right?
yes, sir.
What you have to do is you have to rotate an array in such a manner, like as of now, it is integer of a is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes,
When you
sir.
rotate it, so what would happen? The last element, so you'll get 6, then you will get uh,
5, 4,
5,
3,
yeah,
2,
4,
and
3, yeah, in that order. So you have already reversed. So reversing is the first step. In rotation also, you have to do that.
yes, sir.
Hmm?
Actually, sir, this
Hmm.
reversing, I mean, in the
Okay, no
which,
problem. So if you want, I can assist you with that solution. Let me share my
yes,
screen.
sure, sir.
See, rotation is a kind of a program that you will get uh, if you're going for the product-based companies, right?
Then
Then you
sir.
get this question, right? Okay, I'll tell you in a nutshell what all things we are doing. So, see, there are three ways how you can rotate, okay? And from that, we'll discuss the one of the way. So
Okay,
what
sir.
we are doing is first we have to reverse. So that's what you had done. Okay. Now what I will be doing is we are taking one of the helper method with us, right?
Okay.
Now you can have the rotation from the right hand side as well, and you can have the rotation from the
Left.
left hand side as well, right? So we will be having you can have the right hand side rotation for now, right? And if we will have if condition, so if your array is null or your array dot length is less than equal to one, then we will return. We won't do anything because it's just one element over there. Okay. Now what we will do is we will have the this k kind of operation. Now you can take any of the variable here. So we are converting the negative rotation to the equivalent positive rotation. So if your k is 0, then return. No rotation is required. If you want to reverse the entire array, or if you want to reverse few of the elements, then such kind of conditions you will take. So you can discuss with the interviewer how many elements they wanted to be rotated. For example, first is the entire array if they want to rotate, right? Or some of the elements. Once the reversing is done, then what we will do is we will start our actual program, right? So if I want to rotate it right, a comma 2, so this is my original array. So if I do a comma 2, so I'll be getting this as an expected 4 5 1 2 3. So this is getting rotated, rest all elements remain the same, right? Similarly, if I'm writing 1 2 3 4 5 and I'm rotating right towards b comma 7, right? Then what happens? You get again 4 5 1 2 3 based on this particular calculation. So you are aware about this operator, right? The
Yes, sir.
operator in Java, right? Okay, then you have similar kind of things, or if you want keep it as it is, then you can keep 3 as the index number. So the it will remain as it is, right? So
Okay.
that's how your rotation will work. But these are all your test. To what extent you want to perform the testing, to what extent you want to perform the validation.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, share your screen once you are writing the code on reversing. So let's go back to that. Share your screen once. So you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, right?
Yes, sir.
5, 6. Okay. Now I want you to um, find the sum of all the elements of an array. So how would you do that?
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
I'm using the same array.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you're getting the sum as 21. Okay. What if I want to add the second and third element only? Then how would I do that? Not all the elements. You have got the second and the third element, right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So which is your second element here? You have second index. So 0, it starts from 0, 1, 2,
0, 1, 2.
3
So
plus
3
4.
and 4.
Yeah. So output should be 7. What if I want to add this 3 and 4?
So I will initiate I equals to
Hmm.
0, 1, 2, I
Hmm.
equals to 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. 1, 2. I is length minus 2 if I do. Make
Hmm.
it set. Yes.
7. Perfect. How did you do this length minus 2?
Because, sir, overall length is 6.
Hmm.
So if I have to, since you said I want to have 3 plus 4, so when I started the I value from 0, 1, and 2, and
Hmm.
I have, but if I did not do not write this minus 2, it will keep on iterating till the end because I'm giving the entire length. So
Hmm.
from right hand side also, I subtracted till 4, so
Hmm.
which is minus 2, and then I added it.
Okay. 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 Now let's take a string related program. So you have your name, first name as a string. Okay. So you have the name as Nagarajan. I want you to find the occurrences of each character that are coming in your name. For example, A is coming 4 times, N is coming twice, G is coming once, right? J is coming once, R is coming once. So how would you write the code for this?
In string you're saying or in array? Like,
Okay, whichever way you want. But I want the occurrences of the characters.
okay, sir.
Hmm.
Here I will be using Hashmap because I
Hash
have
map. Yeah, yeah, you can go for hash map.
um, uh,
What is hash map?
so Hashmap is one of the collections in Java which has
Hmm.
a key and a pair
Key
whenever
value pair. Yeah.
key and pair values.
Hmm.
So Hashmap is the keys which are unique, and the
Hmm.
values can be and not unique as well, but the key should be unique. And
Okay.
the key can only have one null, but the
Hmm.
values can have multiple nulls.
Hmm. Okay.
And there are multiple operations which we can use with the hash maps, like putting it, overriding it. Like not overriding, if I just keep on updating the value, it will keep on getting overridden. So
Hmm.
we can replace and delete using hash map.
Okay. You're telling about overriding. So with which OOPS concept overriding is related to?
Polymorphisms.
Polymorphism, right? Okay. Can you write a code on overriding and overloading first, and then we'll see this hash map thing?
uh, Overloading and overriding.
Overriding, yeah.
I know the concept, but I'm right
Hmm.
now not
Okay,
able
can
to
you tell
have
me
it.
the concept? No problem. Can you tell me the concept?
Um,
What is, yeah.
So, method overriding is
Mm,
like method overriding. For an example, let us say I've created an object with
mm,
this thing, two of the like
mm,
two attributes actually. Yeah, let us say if there are two attributes, and
mm,
with the same class name, if I'm writing another one, but we are
mm,
having different attributes. Let us say there are two attributes, and right now we are in a new class, we are having three attributes. Then it
mm,
can be overwritten. So that is method overriding because same name but different parameters.
mm,
And uh, overloading is like I'm unable to get it, sir. Sorry.
mm. No problem, no problem. That's fine. Okay. Um, Fine. So you have this array now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Uh, can you find out the sum of the elements that are there at the odd places?
In the odd places.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'm sorry, sir. By mistake.
Mm-hmm. Take your time, no hurries.
Yes, sir. Odd
Yeah.
number 1 plus 3
Mm-hmm.
plus 5, which is 9.
Okay, great. Now, how would you find the largest element of an array? Let's say
Okay.
you have the same array and you have to find the largest element. So what would you do?
So let
Hmm.
us, for a largest number, what I'm going to do is I'm considering max as the first element. I'm just
Hmm.
considering,
Hmm.
and I'll be running the for loop. Once it is running, if a of I is
Hmm.
greater than that particular max, which is as a first one, I'm going to tell this as put the max value as that a of I, and I will be printing it. What is the error? Okay, that's good. Uh,
They're getting two, three, four, five, six.
yes, sir, because I by mistakenly placed
Okay.
this in the for loop.
Okay. Great. Fine. Okay. So I'm stopping your screen sharing. Before this, we were discussing on method overloading and method overriding, right? So let me give you a quick update on that. See, what is method overloading? So method overloading is like the parameter must be different. So you can have the overloading with respect to, let's say you have a function, add function or add method is there in which you are having two parameters, that is
Yes,
integer A and integer B. You can have the same method with the change in the data type. For example, double A comma double B. You can have the same method with respect to the number of parameters getting increased. For example, integer A comma integer B comma integer C also can be there, right? So
yes,
that's your method overloading. Parameter must be different. It's an example of compile time polymorphism. In
okay,
case of method overriding, the parameter must be same, right? It is known as runtime polymorphism. Okay. So here you have the parameters that are getting changed. So you can say it is getting overloaded, but it increases the readability of the program, right?
okay,
And
sir.
here it is used to provide the specific implementation of the method that is already provided by its superclass. So you have a superclass and you have a parent class and you have a child class. Similarly, you have a superclass and you have a subclass.
Okay, sir.
So the implementation is already provided. You just have to use it, re-implement it,
Okay,
right?
sir.
So that's your runtime polymorphism. That's your method overriding, and this is your method overloading,
Okay,
right?
sir.
Okay, fine. So you wrote the code on finding the largest element of an array, right?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So that's a good thing. Now, smallest also you will be able to do.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, tell me, um, okay, let's say you have an array in which you have duplicate elements also. For
Okay,
example,
sir.
in the same array you can take, but you can add one more element with the same value. So how
Okay, sir.
would you find the duplicate elements from the array? So can you write the code on that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Let me know once my screen is visible, sir.
It's loading. Yeah, it's visible now.
I want to find the duplicate values, right?
Hmm. So you can add one more element in that array.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Is this fine, sir?
Hmm. Yeah. So you're getting duplicate 2 and 1. Okay.
I think this will throw out of bound error. One second, sir. I didn't call this in the main class. One second. I think, sir. One second. I have wrote the code, but
No problem. Take your
this.
time. Yeah. No hurry. And take your time.
So error bound -1. Yes, sir.
Okay. It is working now. What
Yes,
is
sir.
it? 1 and 2. So first you have sorted it. And then what
Yes,
did
sir.
you do? You had a for loop. Okay.
So in case, sir, let us say
Mhm.
if there are only one time duplicate, but in case if there are multiple times duplicates as well,
Mm-hmm.
then this will show multiple times.
Mm-hmm.
In order to avoid that, I have one more if condition.
Mm-hmm.
I'll be starting with the indexing and I'll be saying a of I not equals to a of I -1. Now, in case if there are multiple, then
Mm.
it will only come once.
Great, great. Fine. This looks good. Okay, Nagarajan, I am done with the interview. Do you have any questions for me?
No, sir. Actually, I think I'm
Yeah.
also.
Yeah. Okay, great.